In a startling twist, a late-night police operation cracked down on a Noida rave, resulting in the arrest of 5 individuals. Adding to the shock, Bigg Boss OTT 2 winner Elvish Yadav was caught on video handling a snake at the same event. The raid led to the seizure of 9 snakes, including 5 cobras and snake venom. Elvish Yadav's involvement came to light during the investigation as detained individuals confessed to supplying snakes for these parties. People for Animal (PFA) associated with Menka Gandhi contacted Elvish, leading to a tip-off to Forest Department officials and Noida police, resulting in the arrest of 5 individuals, all from Delhi. Elvish now faces charges under the Wildlife Protection Act of 1972 with an ongoing probes of his involvement. But this is not the first time that Elvish has been in the news due to such controversial cases. Elvish has been in controversy since the beginning of his YouTube journey. Let's get into his controversial life and know who actually is Elvish Yadav. Elvish Yadav is a famous YouTuber who has also won the controversial reality show Bigg Boss OTT 2. He was the wildcard contestant of Bigg Boss OTT 2, making history as the first wildcard participant to win the show. Today, we are going to tell you how on YouTube he has made a different identity in the whole of India on his own. He has become a popular person in today's time, especially among youth, who earns crores of rupees through YouTube in a month, whom we know as a comedy boy. Elvish Yadav is a video creator and social media influencer. He lives in Gurgaon city of Haryana and also hails from Haryana. He uploads comedy videos, vlog videos, roast videos, and prank videos on his YouTube channel. He has become so popular at a very young age that in today's time, Elvish Yadav has 14.5 million subscribers on YouTube. His father's name is Ram Avatar Singh Yadav. He is a lecturer, and his mother Sushma Yadav is an ideal homemaker. Elvish Yadav did his early studies at Amity International School, Gurgaon. Later, he moved to Delhi to complete his graduation. He completed his BCom from Hansraj College in Delhi. Elvish Yadav's dream was that he would grow up to do a government job, but something else was written in his destiny. Slowly, Elvish Yadav started getting interested in YouTube and videos. Elvish Yadav used to watch videos of Ashish Chanchalani and Amit Bhadana earlier. Elvish uploaded his first comedy video on Facebook, which was liked by many people and it went viral. But Elvish Yadav started his YouTube career from the year 2016. He uploaded his first video under the name of How Boys Take Selfie. In today's time, Elvish Yadav has 2 channels on YouTube. The first channel, Elvish Yadav, on which he uploads comedy videos and prank videos. And the second channel, Elvish Yadav Vlogs, on which he uploads vlog videos related to his daily life. His vlog channel has 7.15 million subscribers. In today's time, Elvish Yadav has the most expensive cars, in which Hyundai Characters, Toyota Fortuner and Porsche are present. Elvish Yadav owns a Royal Enfield Classic 350 bike. Elvish has bought all these vehicles and cars from its social media income, which includes YouTube and Instagram, Facebook, brand promotion and sponsorships. Elvish Yadav's total net worth is around 7 to 10 crores or more than that as estimated. After Bigg Boss, he started his journey officially in acting too. He has been featured in 2 popular music videos opposite 2 famous personalities. In Hum To Deewane, he acted with Bollywood actress and model Urvashi Rautela, and in Bolero, he acted with his co-contestant and Bigg Boss OTT 2 finalist Manisha Rani. As Elvish Yadav finds himself entangled in a legal controversy over the Noida rave party, it's not the first time his name has made headlines for the wrong reasons. His journey from being a wildcard contestant on Bigg Boss OTT 2 to becoming a YouTube sensation known as the Comedy Boy is marked by both fame and infamy. With over 14.5 million subscribers, he has carved a distinct identity in the Indian digital landscape, earning substantial income and even owning a fleet of luxury vehicles. However, as the investigation proceeds, it remains to be seen how his latest chapter in his life will unfold, as he faces charges under the Wildlife Protection Act of 1972. However, as the investigation proceeds, it remains to be seen that his latest chapter of life unfold and he faces charges under Wildlife Protection Act, which is very crucial in his career too, as it is going to be a barrier in his upcoming future life. Elvish's story is a testament to the dynamic nature of social media stardom, where both successes and controversy often go hand in hand.